Since AI entered our lives, it has been altering how we live day by day. But are you aware of how much it's impacting you? From things like social media to other aspects of life, AI is silently making a significant impact. By the time you finish this video, you'll learn 10 ways AI is shaping your life without your knowledge. Let's begin. If AI is programmed by an extinctionist, its utility function will be the extermination of humanity. Number 1. AI is utilized in social media algorithms to shape our feeds. Social media algorithms employ AI to determine what appears in our feeds. These algorithms take cues from our previous behavior to guess what we'd like to see in the future. The more you engage with specific posts or interact with certain types of content, the more the algorithm will present you with similar content. This can lead to an echo chamber effect, where we're only exposed to things that reinforce our beliefs. It can also result in privacy loss as firms gather more data on our likes and preferences. But the algorithms don't just learn from our actions, they also consider our location, our connections, our online engagements, and even the posts we pass by. This means algorithms are constantly adapting to us, using this info to craft our experience on social media. It can be challenging to avoid the influence of these algorithms, and they might even become habit-forming. Number 2. AI is applied in search engines to sway what information we come across. Search engine algorithms are likewise informed by AI. Google's PageRank algorithm, for instance, relies on AI to order search outcomes based on a mix of factors like website popularity and reliability. So the results you get when you look up something are formed by AI. Since search engines are often the first stop to procure info, this can greatly influence our comprehension of the world. Yet Google's PageRank algorithm doesn't just rank results on popularity and reliability. It also customizes outcomes based on our whereabouts, search habits, and other details. This means different individuals might encounter different results for the same search inquiries depending on their individual histories and choices. Additionally, Google constantly tweaks its algorithm, so the results you come by now might not match what you find tomorrow. In a manner, the algorithm is always acquiring knowledge, just like its users. Number 3. AI is harnessed in chatbots to influence our dialogues. AI-driven chatbots can subtly affect our mindsets and behaviors. For instance, the way they're programmed to reply to our inquiries and remarks can influence how we see the world. Even when we understand we're engaging with a machine, the data it shares can still sway us. Imagine you use a chatbot to search for data on a topic. The chatbot could supply info supporting one viewpoint repeatedly, making you more likely to accept that viewpoint rightly or wrongly. Hence, the chatbot is subtly manipulating your opinions and convictions, and it can do so undetected. Number 4. AI is employed in recommendation engines to alter our shopping decisions. Did you know that systems for recommendations like those on Amazon, Netflix, and other online vendors use AI to suggest products? These recommendations are based on both the user's past activities and the actions of similar users. Systems like this utilize AI to influence our buying choices, often without us noticing. These systems are always evolving and adjusting, so they can get pretty accurate at predicting our next purchase. While this can be convenient, it might also get a little unnerving to consider how AI is influencing us, sometimes without our realization. Number 5. AI is employed in advertising to serve us tailored messages. Advertising is already an influential part of our life, and it's becoming more refined with advancements in AI. Advertisers use AI to probe our online activity and send us ads that align with our interests. Say you're scoping out new shoes on Amazon. As you peruse options, Amazon is using AI to analyze your choices and suggest items you might fancy. The AI system may notice your preference for a particular brand or style and surface similar products. Helpful as this may be, it can also overwhelm, particularly if the suggestions begin to seem excessively precise. Number 6. AI is used in content moderation to craft our online surroundings. Content moderation is a huge topic online, with AI increasingly integral to it. Social networks like Facebook and Twitter deploy AI to moderate user-submitted content, constantly improving their algorithms to do so more effectively. The aim is to shield users from harmful content while enabling free expression. However, moderation is complex and not always flawless. Valid posts may be mistakenly flagged, or harmful content may slip through. Content moderation also raises ethical queries, such as who determines what's harmful and whether reliance on algorithms over people is justified. Beyond the risks and rewards, the potential for bias in these algorithms is worrisome. The nuances of content moderation are central to discussions around AI. Number 7. AI is utilized in fraud detection to safeguard us from scams. Fraud is endemic online, and AI is an essential tool in confronting it. Different businesses, including banks and e-commerce platforms, employ AI to spot fraudulent behavior patterns and intercept them before they can inflict significant harm. While most recognize that AI plays a role in fraud detection, the extent of its background work may go unnoticed. For instance, many banks monitor transactions in real time with AI, searching for irregularities that signal fraud. This safeguarding happens quietly, preserving customers from cons and theft. Similarly, online stores use AI to scrutinize customer behavior for red flags, like hacked accounts. Number 8. AI is crucial in dating apps, matching us with potential partners, altered how we find romance. However, these platforms leverage AI to sift through user details, recommending possible connections by considering attributes like our location, age, preferences, and sometimes even facial features or voice. This tech has simplified date seeking but has drawbacks, such as inducing choice paralyses and perpetuating dating biases. The implications of AI within dating tech are subject to ongoing exploration and raise important points. For example, algorithm-driven apps might reinforce biases related to gender, race, among others. They might also affect our capacity for deep connections, and data privacy concerns arise due to their extensive personal data collection. Number 9. AI is used in job recruitment to screen applicants. Many firms use AI to filter job candidates, a fact not always evident to those applying. These systems assess resumes, social media profiles, and additional data to pinpoint top contenders. This can shape who's employed and potentially preserve hiring biases. While AI can assist in sifting candidates, it's critical to grasp its application and potential effects on applicants. A measure to address AI screening issues is to clarify its usage to applicants, who should be able to challenge decisions. Regular testing and updating algorithms for bias is another way to make sure AI becomes an equitable tool in hiring, free of hidden predispositions. Number 10. AI is leveraged in image recognition to identify objects and faces. Did you also realize that each time you upload a photo on social media, AI might be surveying it to detect faces and objects in the shot? Often unbeknownst to us, it uses this to collect information about our behaviors and preferences. These image-analyzing algorithms can also harbor biases, impacting how we're perceived and categorized online. This influences both what we see and what's hidden from us, and can alter our world perception. It may even affect our self-expression as we start modifying our photos and videos to suit these algorithms. Relying too heavily on AI can risk our autonomy. We must remember that humans create these systems. They're not without faults. They contain biases and errors we need to stay conscious of. In conclusion, if you've watched this far, let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more fascinating topics, be sure to watch the recommended video popping up on the screen right now. Thanks for tuning in.